Welcome to the next video. So you're still looking over my shoulder, and now I am at a page where I just ran a search on Google. So I ran the search for PayPal recurring payments. So the reason why we want recurring payments is because, remember, these business owners are paying us monthly. So I'm going to skip over these two paid ads and get to the first organic listing, which is recurring payments. If I click on that, that will take me to the page on PayPal where I can set up recurring payments. So if I click sign up now, it'll actually take me to a page that looks like this, and you have two choices. You can either set up a personal account or you can set up a business account. Now with the personal account, it's pretty straightforward. You just enter your information, create your account, and then create your payment link. With the business account, you have two choices. You can either set up a PayPal Payments Standard account, which costs nothing per month, or a PayPal Payments Pro account, which is $30 per month. You don't need this. The reason why someone would want to set up an account like this is if they need to accept payments directly on their website. So this gives them a gateway so they can actually collect payments right on their website without the person being taken to PayPal. You don't need that because all you need is a payment link. So truthfully, you actually don't even need a business account. You can go with a personal account because all we need to do is set up a link where we can accept payment. You can go with a business account. Like I said, this one is free. But the thing is, you're probably going to need to have a business set up, like an LLC. So if you're running your business through an LLC, then you'll want to go this route so that you can actually do it that way, set up for tax purposes. And I'm not giving you tax advice, just for the record. But you're probably going to want to set it up this way. Otherwise, you can just do it, set it up as a personal account. Either way works. We just need that link so that you can accept payments. Now, there's also a demo, and really it's not all that relevant. At this stage, it just gives you an idea of what the recurring and subscriptions page looks like. You know, this shows you how to set up a button. You're not going to be setting up a button. You're just setting up a link. But it gives you an idea of what this payment page looks like. So once someone's successfully signed up, you know, that's what it looks like. It's just something to look at. But that's really all I have to cover for setting up PayPal. And by no means do you have to use PayPal. Actually, I don't even use it. I use a merchant account. I have a merchant account through a company called First Data. It used to be LinkPoint. And I actually do use a gateway. They provide a gateway. And the reason why I use them is because I do a little bit more volume, and the per transaction fees are lower than PayPal. But if you're just starting out, this is the way to go until you build your business up. So that's about it for setting up the payment, and now let's review what we just covered before moving on to the next section, which is performing the services. So let's review. What we just covered was quite a bit actually, but there was a lot to learn. The first thing were the services that you actually offer to these business owners with these negative Yelp listings. The second thing was what you need to cover in your very first contact with these business owners. Remember, there are 7 key points that you have to hit. We went over all of those. The third thing is wrapping up the deal. Remember, when they contact you, you have to assume that they're contacting you because they need your help. And then fourth, we covered setting up the payment. And we covered setting up the payment through PayPal because that's really basic, really easy, really straightforward, and it's an easy way to collect payment from these business owners in need. So now that we're done with this section, let's move over to the next section, which is going to cover actually performing the services. So see you over there.